Alright guys, this is a KTM 390 Duke 2017. This is for all you guys that are interested in the bike. This is my little for sale video. Has a lot of work done to it. You can see all the information in the description below. This is cold startup so that you guys can see what's going on, what it sounds like with and without the suppressor in the end of it. There's a little decibel killer in the end of it. It takes a 4mm Allen. I'll run the bike with and without. It is perfectly cold. It's right there's the header. I got my hand on it. It's a cold startup. It's early in the morning. I'll go ahead and start it with the dB killer in it, and then without. Alright, I'll put it back in. I'll give a link to all the information in the description below.